You're lucky, my friend, that I just eaten. Now go, but don't mess with me again, or I will make a meal out of you. Roar! The Lion and the Mouse. A mouse is playing a sleeping lion, and the lion woke up. Oh, King, I'm very scared. Please don't eat me. Forgive me this time. Please let me go. I should never forget it. And maybe one day I can help you. The lion put the mouse down. Thank you, King. I'll never forget your kindness. You're lucky, my friend, that I just eaten. Now go, but don't mess with me again, or I will make a meal out of you. Roar! One day, the hunters catch the lion. Roar! Roar! The king is in trouble. I must return the favor. Don't worry, my king. I will set you free. Thank you, mouse. I will never trouble you again. Live happily in my forest. You saved the king's life. Now you're the prince of this forest. Thank you, king. Bye. See you soon. Where are you going? Don't you want to play on me and slide down my tail? And they become friends.